days. I need to get home to my mommy. How long have we been at? Hola, ¿qué tal, güey? Soy de México.
Well, it's 11:47 now.
What time do we go?
I don't know.
Look like we spent like the last 5 minutes trying to work out if that was you or not. Like we was looking, we was like, the white trying to wave at you.
I did wave at one point, yeah.
Yeah, we didn't see you waving. How deep is it there? Oh, I don't know.
No, you should be able to come right up to the concrete. It goes in a way.
There's a big puddle. We went and saw another kayaker and a paddleboarder. They wouldn't go and got breakfast. Made a little fire, they had breakfast, and then they overtook us.
There you go. See? Now it should just be a case of dismount.
Why are you doing this?
No, I'm just holding my camera.
Of course. If I do this, and then I'll lean out, and then you can get out.
You reckon?
Yeah, and then you can hold on.
Ready?
Yeah.
I thought coming into the side you might be able to...
I'm gunning. I'm gunning. Ready? What do you reckon? Just off the side. Ready? Alright, that deep.
Well, I did think against the side and then just step onto the concrete, but...
That's like a right angle. Let me get that bag up before you go down. Did you go in?
Well, you could just roll him just to make him in now.
Oh, do you know what?
But I suspect you're probably wet enough as it is.
Oh yeah, I mean we can... Do you want to take that?
Do you want to come a bit closer? I won't you. I don't really want to move because this is slippery as fuck.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
How much lighter it is? No.
Oh, he's off now then.
What's he saying? I'm too fat.
So much lighter.
Big weight, big boy at the back.
There you go then. See you later then. Should be able to grab the side and hold it and you should be able to step straight out. It's a theory.
So, this is slippery. You getting that?
So I'm not filming, don't worry. I'm not filming, don't worry. Let me know and I'll just press the record button.
Did you take the bag out?
No, he's still in there.
Do you want to do that fast?
Yeah. There you go, Dave.
Because now I can tip the boat without shame, you know.
Where are you going, Spence? You're going with no war.
See you later, Spence.
There you go, Ben. Out you get.
Good mule. Good mule.
Come on, I'll pull you in.
You got to grab hold of it. Oh, dude. Oh, this is too funny. Oh. This is why I told you to get the bag out. Oh, okay. It's ramps a bit. Yeah, no, it's not easy, is it?
Well, I thought it'd be easier than where all the seaweed was.
Oh.